Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sorry for not posting on Sunday. I was super busy. That will not be happening again. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be making £10 in 10 minutes. I know that's crazy, £1 a minute. So firstly, what you're going to want to do is go to this website called testingtime.com. All these links I'm going to be using in this video will be in the description below, so go check it out if you have any problems trying to find the website. But once you are here, you're going to click on this button called sign up now. And then once you've clicked on sign up now, you should be taken to this page. I'm going to make my first name and last name. Anything you guys can as well. It doesn't matter too much. It just wants the information for your account. I've just called mine Bob Business. And now age and gender, I'm a male. I'm not going to be showing you my age, my date of birth. So once you've done that, place of residence, you can just fill all this in. But I don't recommend using your actual postal code. Then once you've done your postcode, the time zone should already be filled out once you select your country. Now with your language skills, if you guys do speak other languages, you can add that, but unfortunately I don't. I only speak English, and that is my mother tongue, or known as your original language. This profile picture here is optional. I'm not going to be doing that for this tutorial. And it doesn't matter whether you do it or not. It doesn't change anything at all. So once you have done this, if you didn't want to, or once you've done all this stuff, just click on next. And it'll be asking you for your email. And then you're going to make a password and a phone number. So guys, you probably know what I'm going to do next, and if you don't, you should probably check out my other videos. When you see this email here, you know you should go over to temp-mail.org. Again, this will be in the description. You'll be generated with a random email. You can just click on copy to clipboard here, that green button. Go back over to testing time, click on it on the email section, and then do Control-V. For the password, do something that you can remember and that is hard to guess, otherwise people could log into your account. And for the phone number, I'm just going to put something random in and click on next. So here you're going to see this page coming up here. It's going to send your email a verification. You're going to go back over to temp mail and you should see in the inbox testing time. We're going to click on that and confirm email. It should take you to the page again, and you should be given a little survey here. How open are you to regularly do sports? I am already doing sports regularly. If you practice sport activities, which apps you use to track them, select all that apply. You don't have to pick the same options as me, obviously. This is just a little quick survey to kind of get to know you. Here is a statement regarding your daily life and personality. Please try to answer as fast as possible without thinking about the answer too much. There are no wrong answers. I am a rather organized person. And also, guys, if you don't want to actually answer the questions, a lot of them have a box that says I don't want to answer, but this one doesn't here. I'm just going to do random stuff. It doesn't matter whatsoever, this survey. Let's see. I'm just going to that one. Yep. Guys, I'm just going to speed it all up now because this is taking way too long. So I'll see you guys in a quick second. Alright guys, I've now completed the survey and it says welcome to the team Bob and all of this. So what we're going to do is click on testing time. Alright guys, so once you clicked on testing time, you're going to click on studies over here and you should be brought to this page over here. So what's going to be happening here, in a couple of minutes, I'm not going to be filming this bit. You should get a little pop-up with a study or whatever, because I said I've done some at college, so it's showing me studies, but there are other tests you can do. And once you've done that, it will take around 10 minutes to complete, and then you should get around £10 for each test you do. Sorry guys, this video is quite short today. I did say 10 minutes, but it's because it's the actual test that takes 10 minutes, and then you get paid around £10, not the actual signing up and setting up, because that's all I do on this channel, just to make these videos quick, fast, and so you guys can be making money as quick as possible. Well, I'm out. Peace.